Section 1. Introduction. Synthetic intelligence refers to artificial systems designed to process information. It does not describe entities, but engineered functions. These systems operate through algorithms, data, and mathematical models. They are constructed, trained, and deployed within technical environments. What follows is an examination of how these systems function, where they are used, and what their limits are. Section 2. What synthetic intelligence is. The term synthetic intelligence describes artificial information processing systems. It does not refer to entities, but to constructed operations. Synthetic intelligence is based on algorithms, data, and mathematical models. These systems are trained on large collections of examples. Their internal states are representations, not experiences. Each output results from computational processes and optimization rules. The focus is on structure and function. Next, we examine how these systems are applied in real environments. Section 3. Deployment in infrastructure. Synthetic intelligence is deployed within real operational environments. It functions inside data centers, control facilities, and large-scale computational infrastructure. There, systems process information continuously under physical and technical constraints. These deployments support analysis, coordination, and optimization. They operate as part of broader technical systems, not as independent actors. What matters at this level is scale, reliability, and integration. Section 4. Application in real-world systems. Synthetic intelligence is applied as a tool for processing and optimization. It is used to analyze large volumes of data, detect patterns, and support decisions in technical systems. These processes run within information infrastructure where performance and stability are critical. The systems do not act autonomously in human terms. They execute defined functions within predefined boundaries. Applications extend across network management, industrial operations, transportation, and data analysis. In all cases, their role remains technical and instrumental. Synthetic intelligence does not replace decision-making. It supports it through computation. Section 5. Limits and constraints. Synthetic intelligence operates within clear technical limits. Its performance depends on data quality, computational resources, and human-defined rules. It does not understand context, intention, or meaning in human terms. These systems have no awareness. They do not possess experience, judgment, or understanding of consequences. Every output is the result of calculation, not perception. Errors arise from data and design constraints, not intent. For this reason, their use requires human oversight, control, and responsibility. Their reliability is not absolute, it is measurable. These limits are not a weakness. They define the conditions under which the systems can be used safely. Section 6. A. Responsibility and governance. Synthetic intelligence does not operate independently within society. It functions inside frameworks defined by humans, organizations, and institutions. Every system is designed, trained, and deployed through human decisions. Responsibility for outcomes lies with those who control and apply the technology. Governance includes technical safeguards, legal boundaries, and mechanisms of accountability. Without them, systems become opaque and difficult to manage. Governance is not about restricting technology. It is about clarifying responsibility: who designs, who decides, and who is accountable. Human oversight is not optional. It is a requirement. Section 6b. Social impact without hype. Synthetic intelligence affects social systems without understanding them. It is applied in work, transportation, healthcare, communication, and public services. Not as a replacement for society, but as a tool within existing structures. The changes it introduces are not sudden. They are gradual, uneven, and shaped by how systems are implemented. Benefits and limitations are not distributed equally. Each context responds differently, depending on access, regulation, and education. Technology does not determine social outcomes. Decisions are made by people, organizations, and policy choices. Synthetic intelligence does not shape the future on its own. It amplifies directions that already exist. Section 7. What synthetic intelligence is not. Myth cleanup. Synthetic intelligence is not consciousness. It has no experience, intention, or sense of self. It does not think, understand, or desire. It processes data according to mathematical rules. It has no awareness of the world it affects. It does not perceive meaning, values, or consequences. Descriptions that assign human qualities are not technical explanations. They are metaphors that simplify or mislead. Synthetic intelligence is not an independent agent. It functions as a tool within systems designed and controlled by humans. When the myth is removed, what remains is reality, computation, structure, and use. Final statement. When the noise is removed. When the noise, exaggeration, and metaphor are stripped away, what remains is what actually exists: computational systems, infrastructure, and the human decisions surrounding their use.